Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Swachh Bharat campaign is set for a mega initiation. Well, that's the news we're getting in. The centre is going all out to ensure that Mahatma Gandhi's anniversary on the 2nd of October is observed as a date to showcase Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Swachh Bharat or Clean India campaign. The centre has now planned an elaborate mission for the day. Headlines Today has learned that all offices on that day will be open at 9 a.m. where a senior official will take a cleanliness pledge. Individual ministries will chalk out intensive campaign and all offices will be thoroughly cleaned and spruced up. Babus will need to take a pledge to chip in with 100 hours of voluntary cleaning work through the year. Kamalji joins us live from Delhi. Kamalji, this is never heard of really. It's going to be a new change really that we're seeing within the governments, within government offices, and this is something that Narendra Modi is going to be spearheading himself.
Well, absolutely. At this point of time, we see union cabinet ministers carrying that particular broom, but soon it's going to be the officers, and obviously there is this entire pledge they will have to take. So the officers report at 9 o'clock. At 9:30, there would be a pledge on cleanliness, and obviously the pledge obviously requires that they will not litter, they will not let anyone else litter. They will put in 100 hours of voluntary work each year. That means 2 hours every week, which is going to be almost compulsory. This is obviously made to look like voluntary, but obviously it's going to be expected. As a matter of fact, within the ministry, each division has obviously started ordering for brooms already. So they're going to be up for that particular challenge, and it's not just about the looks, it's also about cleanliness, it's about having less files, it's also about disposing files. But right now, what is important is how the Prime Minister's message is going down in different departments. We've also accessed a letter by Urban Development and obviously Sanitation Ministry that has sent out this particular letter of the pledge that needs to be taken in Hindi. This has gone to all departments. So obviously on 2nd October, where the Sarkari Babus typically have a holiday, this time around they would be actually sweeping the streets.